What's going on? This is Mike D from First MFG, and today we're going to talk about the Wraith jacket. It's hard to reinvent the wheel, but you can improve it. That's what First MFG has done by creating the Wraith, a vintage leather motorcycle jacket made with our 1 to 1.1 millimeter drum-dyed naked cowhide, which is based on the same pattern as the Fillmore. It comes with a snap-down lapel, collar, epaulets, and an asymmetrical zipper. 1 zipper chest pocket, 2 zipper slash pockets, and a patch pocket on the left-hand side. 2 concealed carry pockets with tapered holsters, zippered sleeves with gussets, underarm gussets and grommets, accordion stretch action back and side panels, backside zipper vents and a fixed belt, an insulated zip-out thermal liner, and armor pockets for our CE rated armor. So if the standard leather jacket is just not your thing, the Wraith might be that missing piece to your gear closet. Order it now at firstmfg.com.